Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore an easy and efficient way to check the metadata of your Salesforce org using Chrome extension. It's all about making things simpler and understandable for you. Now let's dive right into it. Go to the reports and check for metadata. Now here we are. Now select the metadata that you want to check. For this demonstration, I will select Apex classes, custom metadata types, object details, and profile permission set and user. Now let's take this information and put it in an Excel sheet. All the heavy lifting is done on separate worker thread, so the main thread remains unblocked. Now click on save. Now let's see this Excel sheet. That now we are in Apex classes. In this section, you will find all the juicy details of your Apex classes that exist in your org, like ID, class name, namespace prefix, and other details. Going to custom metadata types, here you can explore all the different types of metadata that exist in your org and details regarding them. Type, field label, field name, related to, just like that. Now going to object details, this is where you get the scoop of your org's object and specifics. Here you can see all the names of your object that exist in your org. Type, field label, field name. Let's talk about this one. Object name is accepted event relation. Field label is relation ID. Field name is relation ID as well. And it is related to 4 objects: calendar, contact, lead, user. How simple is that to understand everything? Now going to profile, permission set and user. This section provides insights into profile and their access to permission sets. So here are the names of profiles and their access to the respective permission sets. And there are other details also, like permission set ID, set name, and other things. And this is how it works. Thank you. Thanks for watching.